We start with huge energy. We're going to crush this goal. But then, poof, motivation vanishes. It's like our brain hits the brakes. We've all been there, right? Don't worry, you're not alone. It's totally normal to feel your motivation dip sometimes. Life gets in the way, things get tough, and suddenly that goal feels a million miles away. But guess what? There's hope. Understanding why this happens is the first step to getting back on track. We're about to uncover the science behind those motivation meltdowns and, more importantly, how to overcome them. Get ready to fire up your engines again. Ever wonder what's going on in your brain? Why some days you're a productivity powerhouse, tackling tasks with ease, and other days you're stuck in neutral, struggling to even start? What is the reason when motivation goes MIA? It's a universal struggle. That feeling of wanting to achieve something, but lacking the drive to actually do it. It all comes down to brain chemicals, a complex interplay of neurotransmitters that dictate our moods, our focus, and ultimately our motivation. And dopamine is the key player here. This powerful chemical acts as a messenger in your brain, influencing everything from movement to emotions. Think of it as your brain's reward chemical. It's released when we experience pleasure, achieve a goal, or even anticipate something good. When you set a goal, whether it's big or small, your brain starts to take notice. And your brain gets excited at the prospect of achieving that goal. All because of the possibility of a positive outcome. You begin to imagine the feeling of success, the sense of accomplishment, and the rewards that await you. As a result, dopamine levels rise, signaling to your brain that something good is about to happen, thus giving you that initial surge of motivation. That feeling of, I can do this, but here's the catch. The dopamine system is a bit more complicated than that. It turns out that our brains love instant gratification. We're wired to seek out immediate rewards, things that give us a quick dopamine boost. So, when we don't see immediate results from our efforts, or the progress is slow and incremental, or if the task feels too daunting, too complex, or too far outside of our comfort zone, then dopamine takes a nosedive, plummeting from its initial high. And so does our motivation, leaving us feeling discouraged, uninspired, and ready to give up. But knowledge is power. Understanding how your brain works is the first step to taking control. Now that you know the science, you can start to develop strategies to work with your brain rather than against it. So you can outsmart your brain and unlock your full potential. Let's get real. We've all been there. You start a new workout routine with gusto, but after a week of sore muscles and no visible six-pack, you're ready to throw in the towel. That book you're writing? The one you were so excited about. It's gathering dust because writer's block hit you harder than a double espresso. You promised yourself you'd learn a new language, but those flashcards are looking pretty intimidating right now. Sound familiar? Don't beat yourself up. These are classic examples of how easily motivation can fizzle out. Recognizing these patterns is the first step to breaking them. All right, let's dive into something we all grapple with: motivation. It's that inner drive that gets us going, keeps us pushing, and helps us achieve our goals. But let's face it, motivation isn't always a constant companion. It can be as fickle as the weather, showing up one day and disappearing the next. So the big question is, but why? What are the hidden forces that can drain our motivation tanks, leaving us feeling uninspired and stuck? Why does that initial spark sometimes fizzle out so quickly? Let's put on our detective hats and unmask those sneaky motivation stealers. We're going to shine a light on the common culprits that sabotage our drive and keep us from reaching our full potential. Understanding these factors is the first step to reclaiming our motivation and staying on track. First up, boredom. That feeling of monotony and lack of stimulation, doing the same thing day in and day out, repeating the same tasks without variation, can zap the excitement out of anything. It's like eating the same meal every single day. Eventually, you're going to lose your appetite. Our brains really crave novelty. They thrive on new experiences, challenges, and opportunities to learn and grow. When we're stuck in a rut, our brains start to shut down and motivation plummets. Next, fear. That often unspoken emotion that can hold us back from pursuing our dreams. That pesky voice of self-doubt can whisper insidious things. You're not good enough, you're going to fail, you're not capable. And this crippling self-doubt can paralyze our motivation before we even begin, preventing us from taking the first step towards our goals. Then there's overwhelm, that feeling of being buried under a mountain of tasks and responsibilities, and setting too many goals at once, trying to juggle too many projects can leave us feeling like we're drowning in to-dos, gasping for air. This leads to procrastination, avoidance, and, well, paralysis. We become so overwhelmed that we don't know where to start, so we end up doing nothing at all. And finally, lack of clear goals, not having a well-defined vision of what we want to achieve. It's hard to stay motivated, to maintain that inner drive. When we don't have a clear destination in mind, it's like wandering through a maze without a map. Vague goals lead to vague results. If you don't know where you're going, you'll probably end up somewhere you don't want to be. Feeling your motivation take a nosedive? We've all been there. It's that moment when your goals seem miles away and the couch looks incredibly inviting, but ready for the good news, you can conquer those motivation dips. It's not about some grand, sweeping change, but rather the small, consistent habits you build into your daily life. These simple strategies can be your secret weapon against procrastination and help you stay on track even when you don't feel like it. Here's how. We're going to explore some actionable techniques that you can implement right away to reignite your inner drive and keep you moving towards your aspirations. Get ready to transform those feelings of overwhelm into a sense of accomplishment. First, break it down. This is perhaps the most crucial step in overcoming that initial inertia. Big goals can feel overwhelming, like climbing a mountain without the proper gear, so break them down into smaller, bite-sized steps. Think of it as creating a manageable staircase instead of a sheer cliff face. Each step represents a smaller task that's easier to tackle and less intimidating. And hey, celebrate those mini victories. Acknowledge your progress, no matter how small it seems. Each completed step fuels your momentum and reinforces positive behavior. It's like giving yourself a pat on the back for every mini milestone achieved. Next, find your why. This is about connecting with the deeper meaning behind your goals. Connect your goal to a deeper purpose. Why is this important to you? What impact will it have on your life or the lives of others? Understanding your why provides a powerful source of intrinsic motivation that goes beyond fleeting desires. It transforms your goals from mere tasks into meaningful endeavors. Let that why fuel your fire. When you're connected to a purpose that resonates with your values, you're more likely to persevere through challenges and stay committed to your goals, even when the going gets tough. It becomes the driving force behind your actions, pushing you forward with passion and determination. Also mix it up. Routine can breed boredom, and boredom is the enemy of motivation. So add variety to your routine to keep things interesting. Injecting novelty into your day can reignite your enthusiasm and prevent you from feeling stuck in a rut. Try a new workout class, explore a different genre of music, or take a different route to work, or maybe find a different study spot. A change of scenery can do wonders for your focus and creativity. Another tip: silence the inner critic. That nagging voice in your head can be incredibly demotivating. Don't let negative self-talk hold you back. Challenge those limiting beliefs and replace them with positive affirmations. Treat yourself with the same kindness and encouragement you'd offer a friend. Be your own cheerleader and focus on your strengths and accomplishments. And finally, reward yourself the right way. This is about reinforcing positive behaviors with incentives that support your overall well-being. Celebrate milestones with rewards that align with your goals. Choose rewards that are both enjoyable and beneficial to your progress. Finished a tough workout? Treat yourself to a healthy, delicious meal, not a pizza binge. Rewarding yourself with something that nourishes your body and mind will reinforce your commitment to a healthy lifestyle. Remember, small habits, big impact. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither will your goals be achieved overnight. Progress, not perfection, is the name of the game. Focus on taking consistent action, even if it's just one small step each day. Those small steps add up to incredible results over time. And don't forget to celebrate your wins along the way. Acknowledging your accomplishments, big or small, will give you the fuel to keep going. Listen up, my friend, amazing human. You are capable of incredible things, truly. Don't let those motivation dips derail your dreams and aspirations. Remember, it's okay to stumble, it's okay to have off days. What matters most is that you get back up, dust yourself off, and keep moving forward. Now go out there and make it happen. I believe in you.